What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we'll be doing a little DIY fix on the Honda S2000, and the reason why I say that is because the last time I drove this car was about 2 weeks back. I took it to my buddy's place, Mike's place, to get it ceramic coated. So the car looks great, paint looks fresh. She's just been sitting in the garage to cure ever since, but I didn't notice when I was there was a nail in the tire, I believe the right rear. So video of today, we're gonna go ahead and take off the wheel, get it fixed. I have the whole garage, so I'm gonna move the S2000 right in the middle so we can jack it up, take off the wheel. All right, so it's been a while, like I said, since I fired up the S2000. Just go ahead and fire her up. Alright, so first things first, this is the wheel and tire. Let's show you guys this little nail right here. So here's the thing, it's pretty close to the sidewall. I know most shops won't be able to fix it if it's pretty close to the sidewall, but I bought this little patch kit from your local Advance Auto, and I've patched tires before, so we're gonna use this. One thing, it's been sitting for about 2 weeks. Air still seems pretty good, so let me go ahead and test it out, see how much air we have in this tire. So 2 weeks back, I filled up the tire air pressure to about 35 psi. So right now, let's check, see how much. Shows about 20. Let's try that again. So it's about 20. So yeah, not great. So we'll definitely go ahead and patch it up. It's slowly leaking air. And let's compare it to, for example, the front, which is fine. Let's see how much air is in here. Okay. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and jack up the car, remove the wheel, so that we'll be having easy access to remove the nail and patch it up. Alright, the spoon wheel is off. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it up with air, more air, just so it makes my job a little bit easier to take off this nail. And like I said, if you guys want a tire patch kit, you can go to any auto parts store. This one I got from Advance Auto for, I want to say, like 15 bucks. So yeah, it comes with the tools that you need. I'll show you guys the step-by-step. Pretty easy. Once you have the wheel off, takes maybe about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so I have it hooked up to my car. Reader says 24 psi, a little more accurate. I'm gonna fill it up quite a bit, probably to 40. As I remove that nail, a lot of air is gonna gush out. I have to fill it up anyway. You know what, let's just do 38 first. Alright, so while filling up the air, I went around and make sure tire eye pressure is 35 psi in all 4 tires. Might as well. So let's show you guys what we have in this little kit here. So first things first, you want to go ahead and remove the nail itself on the tire. And then once it's done removing it, you're going to use this piece to pretty much drill into the tire. Get a nice hole. And then once that's done, we do have these tire plugs, a shorter size, a longer one. Probably use the shorter one. You pretty much feed it through this little loop right here. Put it in, twist it out. And in any excess, you can just cut it off. So yeah, that's it. There's the nail. You can see all the air gushing out right now. What I'm gonna do is put in this guy, and you're gonna twist it. The nail kind of went in at an angle, so you want to follow that. Twist it nice and tight. Okay, so once you have it drilled in pretty good, gonna go ahead and feed one of these tire plugs through this hole right here. Okay, feed it right in the middle like so. And once you remove that, you're gonna be able to put this in, twist it out. So I still hear a lot of air seeping out. So what I might do is maybe fill it up with even more air on the tire. Alright, so we have the tire all patched up. You guys might notice a little bit of residue here. You can snip that off. So yeah, right now, talk about the air, 35 psi. Let's go ahead and throw the wheels back on. And there we have it. The S2000's tire is all patched up, good to go. So like I said, this is a fairly simple DIY. You can buy from an auto parts store for about $15. Patch your tire. So all that's left to do now is we're just gonna observe it, check it in a few days, in a few weeks, make sure everything's good to go, make sure there's no tire leaks. It is at 35 psi all around right now. So yeah, we just want to make sure air stays in the tire. I've done a few tire patches in the past when I used to work at Long Shop. So yeah, I am pretty happy that I was able to do the install myself. Fairly easy DIY. My wife was telling me to take it to a shop, but you know, there's always a risk driving it whenever the tire is pretty much you know, with a nail on it. You don't want the tire to blow out on the highway or anything like that. So I'm just glad we're able to do it ourselves at home. So I hope you guys liked that simple DIY video. If you guys stayed to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.